Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, it's a maths book for class 7. Now today our topic is multiplication of two or more than two rational numbers. To multiply rational numbers, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Now dear students, we have the another steps for the in multiplication of rational numbers, that if we have the numerator and denominators lie in the same table, we will see that it is up and down. We will check it first, that it will be cancelled up and down or not, in cross way. Let's see. These are that rational number which are not cancelled within a cross way. So how we will do this question? Let's see. Divide 4 and 6 by their HCF, and HCF is a 2, mean that 4 and 6 are present in table of 2. That's why we repeat again the question. Let's see. First we will check up and down. 4 and 7 is not present in same table. 1 and 6 is not present in same table. Then we will check in cross. Let's see. 4 and 6 are cancel here, and 1 or 7 is not present in the same table. That's why we will just cancel 4 and 6 like that. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. After this, let's see. 2 multiplied by 1 and 7 multiplied by 3. 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21. This is the simplified form of that question. For example, I have another question. 1 whole 2 by 5 multiply 2 whole 1 by 2. Now first change the mixed number into improper number, that is 5 1s are 5 plus 2. We rename this fraction as 7 by 5 and 2 whole 1 by 2 as 5 by 2. Student, after this, cancel 5 with 5 according to the rule of cancellation. We will see the up and down, and in cross it will be cancelled with 5, and 7 or 2 are not present in a same table. That's why we will multiply 7 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 2. We get the answer 7 1s are 7, 2 1s are 2. Now it is a improper fraction, that's why we will convert it into improper fraction. 3 whole 1 by 2. That is the simplified form. Now students, after this, what is a multiplicative inverse? For example, I have a question, minus 3 by 8. Now what is a multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal of rational number is its multiplicative inverse. The product of rational number and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. For example, I have this question. Now reciprocal minus 3 by 8 multiply reciprocal of this, then it will make 8 minus 3. Let's see, it gave us 1, which is equal to 1. The product of rational number and its reciprocal is equal to 1. This is the multiplicative inverse. For example, I have another question, 10. Now the multiplicative inverse of 10 is 10 multiplied by 1 by 10. Because 10 will be cancelled with 10, we get 1. Multiplicative identity is always 1 and additive identity is always 0. Now let's see, if I have a question, minus 4, then the multiplicative inverse of minus 4 will be minus 4 multiplied by 1 by 4, reciprocal of 4. Now it will give us minus 4, that will be give 1. Now students, you can solve all the questions in your exercise 2.3, page 31. Now our next topic is division of rational numbers by a non-zero rational numbers. Now since multiplication and division are inverse operation, the rule for finding the sign of the quotient of two integers is similar to the rule of finding the sign of a product of two integers. Now how we will do it? For example, I have a question. This is our question number 1. Minus 1 by 2 divide 3 by 16. Now multiplication and division are inverse operation. The rule for finding the sign of the quotient of two integers is similar to the rule of finding the sign of product of two integers. Now students, first we convert the division into multiplication, and when we convert the sign we get the reciprocal here of this fraction, 16 by 3. Let's see. Now 1 by 2 multiply by 16 by 3. Now up and down cutting is not possible, but in cross cutting is possible because it is present both integers in same table. 2 8s are 16. Let's see the leftover integers, minus 1 into 8 divide by 1 into 3. We get the minus 8 ones are 8 and 3 ones are 3. Now student, it's also a improper fraction, that's why we will divide it like that. 3 2s are 6 and 7 8. It's very easy, we will write it like that. This is the right one answer. Now students, similarly you can solve all the leftover questions in your exercise 2.3, page 31 at your home. Thank you students.